Look at this place. Look at this. The desert in winter. Oh man. This is so rad. Ah. What is this place? This is incredible. I saw a prairie dog. There are hummingbirds and all sorts of other songbirds that hang out here. This is ridiculous. That's a mesquite tree. The saguaros, and look, you can see farther back along the hillside, just there, the saguaros just dot that whole mountainside. This is just ridiculous. Look at this beast. Cholla cactus. Ridiculous, ridiculous. It's so grassy here. Unbelievable. Already, just in the 4-hour walk we've done since the place we camped last night, this place has already exploded with verdant life. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous! Ridiculous! Okay. December 30th. Plowing onwards towards Superior. We are 13 miles from it.